Emotional quotient. Emotional quotient is very crucial for a child's social and emotional development. Let's understand emotional quotient. Social emotional quotient learning teaches a preschooler to manage emotions, form positive relationship, show empathy. This foundational education develops vital interpersonal skills benefiting children throughout their life. All of us know Dr. Daniel Goleman. Now, he has described social emotional intelligence as most important to manage the feelings. In his book in 1995, he has written about why emotional intelligence matters more than intellectual quotient. So he's spoken very clearly about the importance of emotions more than academics. At EuroKids, we have a program called EuroConnect that helps us develop the social emotional growth of the child. EuroKids is about understanding and managing one's own emotions in a positive way, communicate themselves better, empathize with others, and overcome challenges. So, it's very, very important for the child to be emotionally stable. Especially after COVID, we've realized that the emotional intelligence of the child has taken a backseat. So we've focused a lot on developing the social emotional skills in the children. Are the main four domains that we develop in the children. First, we begin with the self awareness, means the child has to be aware of himself first, his own feelings, his own body, whether he's tired, whether he's happy, whether he's unhappy, and then manage that emotions through self management skills. Now, if I say I am angry, now, how do I manage my emotions? Do I fight? Do I throw things? I need to do some kind of a management which will help the children not react in a situation which is not acceptable in the society. Then is the social awareness. Like the child is aware of himself and his feelings, we are making him aware of the feelings of his friends, family, others around him. And then comes his relationship management, which is very important to develop healthy relationships, not only today, but also in life when the child grows up. This is an example of a playgroup program, EuroConnect, where all the four domains are shown. So in self-awareness, we are focusing on name and identity. So the first session will be on introduction, name and identity, and the second will be on assessment. Similarly, the name and identity is the outer part where the child is knowing himself outwardly. Likes and dislikes moves a little inward, where the child moves inward and says, this is what I like and this is what I dislike. Then we move on to self management, social awareness, and relationship skills. All lessons have one session where we are introducing them, and the second session, which is the assessment session. Then we move on to another dimension that we are following in the apex. Apex ka S is spiritual quotient. Now let's try and understand why spiritual quotient. Because spiritual quotient is an important dimension of holistic development of young children and has been recognized as a very important to child development. Unfortunately, it is a forgotten area and sometimes also getting confused with religion. So, spiritual growth or spiritual development is not religion. So, let's understand quotient. Spiritual quotient is about one's inner peace, thoughts, beliefs, emotions. It refers to the ability to understand why we are important, how do we connect with the world, what makes us feel happy and fulfilled. It's about understanding their own place in the world and appreciating the larger picture. It also includes what is ethical, what is emotional, and what is a moral development. Now, if we see, spiritual quotient has been spoken about by Maria Montessori. All of us know Maria Montessori. She spoke about just two fundamental needs. One is the material or the survival needs, and the second one is a spiritual, where she's focusing on the soul connect. Then comes Tiwarki, the New Zealand curriculum. It speaks about the social, physical, emotional, and spiritual dimension. It talks about how we need to weave this into our curriculum, healthy in mind, body, and spirit. It states about the physical, social, emotional dimensions of the growth, and all are important to enable children to develop confidence in themselves and their abilities. Frederick Frobel, all of us know, father of early childhood education. He speaks about the importance of spirituality in the holistic development of the child. He speaks about focusing on unity, which connects the child with the family, with the community, with humanity and nature. All these are wider, unknown faculties of the world. We also have Bill Hanlon, who is the American author. He focuses a lot in shaping a child's moral compass and sense of purpose. His work focuses on nurturing young minds to foster spiritual growth in young children. In his book, Pathways to Spirituality, he defines the three C's: connection, compassion, and contribution. Our inspiration of developing our Elevate program is through him. We have also modified or taken his three C's: connection. When we say connection, connection to ourselves, our breath, nature, people around us, compassion towards animals, people, ourselves, and contribution to the society in whatever smaller ways that the child can do. Elevate is our spiritual quotient program, which focuses on engaging activities and reflective practices, fosters a sense of connection, peace, empathy, and community among thinkers. This is how a breakup for the play group looks. We have more session on connection because children at this age focus a lot on connecting with themselves, connecting with their breath, their family, nature, water, animals, art, music. Once that is done, we focus on the compassion, understanding of our feelings, comforting our friends, and then we move on to contribution towards the society, towards our parents, towards nature, in their smaller ways that they are capable of. Now, let's understand the difference between emotional quotient and spiritual quotient. When we talk about emotional quotient, we focus on emotions and managing them. When we talk about spiritual quotient, we talk about the child's inner life, connection to the world, understanding where they stand in the bigger picture of the world. The key skills are identifying emotions, causes of why they feel the way they feel, and how do they express their emotions and how do they regulate them. Whereas in spirituality, it's expressing awe and curiosity about the nature, about their routines, rituals, how are these connected to the larger community, and simple ethical concepts like right and wrong, moral values. If mama's not seeing me, I can have a second serving of the cake. If mama's seeing me, I cannot eat the cake. So all these are ethical values that we teach in our children. Then comes the outcome. The main goal of emotional quotient is to communicate the needs and feelings effectively, and the main goal of spiritual quotient is finding out their self, ethical thinking, and connection with the world. Thank you, and all the best.